What's up, wonderful YouTubers? This is Skywalker here, and I'm bringing you back White Noise with Scootaloo, or AKA Derpy, or AKA I Has Cupcake Cat, AKA Lily. Lily, say hi.
Hola.
Hola, amigo. I'm 100% sure because my volume's at like, hang on, I can't believe I'm actually gonna. My volume's at 16.
Keep it to 16.
Well, anyways, I feel like the best solution is not to split up and not to get each other killed.
Which one's you?
I'm the skeleton.
No.
Come
I'm
along.
gonna go this way.
Come along, Derpy. Come along.
Quiet.
Yeah, yeah, I'm just waiting until something pops up to commentate about. Lily, say something.
What do you want me to say?
Okay, I was wondering because that sounded really soft for a second there, because
What sounded very soft?
you talking. Hang on, I'm gonna try and turn it up a bit more. Okay.
Better now.
Yeah, I've turned it up by 4. So it's now Kitfitsu 20.
Ooh, I hear it. It
Should be on. It should be on or next to one of the statues. Good job, Derpy.
Doesn't need.
I'd rather credit you than the two random people who probably played this 24/7.
So I'm gonna run.
Derpy, wait up! Derpy!
All of you are following me.
because they assume that you know where you're going. Just be glad if I'm in the back, I get picked off first.
No, I see it first, and then it pops in front of my face, and it just sucks the soul out of me.
I think it sucks the soul out of you and then turns you into a statue? Is that what it does?
This map's always the hardest. Like the most puzzles.
It's like a maze. In fact, some could call it amazing. But actually, Lily, I can't believe I'm about to crack some Celestia puns, but looks like she doesn't like her eggs sunny side up. Looks like Lily's Sunny D isn't that sunny anymore. Lily, you're leading us into a circle. Let one of the other noobs, or not noobs, but other players.
You trying to say I'm a noob?
No.
Other noob?
I'm not trying to call you a noob, I'm trying to call the people in the middle kind of a noob, because there is no level rank. And besides, I'm not that fast, so stop walking so fast.
I'm running, I'm walking.
You're jogging.
Okay, now I can definitely hear him.
I heard him breathing a second ago. Wait, where did you guys go? Oh, fudge. Curse my freaking...
Where did you go?
I hear him. Help. I'm not entirely sure if I'm heading the direction that you're at, but apparently, if I keep going this direction, it's not gonna say it's dangerous to go alone, so take this wooden sword. It's dangerous to go alone. Where are you guys?
I don't know where you are. I'm lost.
I'm in the... Ah, crap. Where's the giant... What room are you in?
I'm in like a big giant pillar. Oh my god, I see you.
Where are you?
Right.
Hallelujah!
Guys.
I don't know. Watch him get killed. Watch him get killed.
No, but they're together, so I mean.
Yeah, fair
I
enough.
thought that was, there's the Chinese room.
Don't walk towards it. We have no purpose. Lily, over here. Quickly, before the monster gets ya. Quickly! Quickly!
It looks like you're a lot closer. Which are further away.
Scootaloo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scootaloo, I see you. We're ready and we're crusading. That's probably
Why is your hair blue?
that's because I'm a skeleton.
No.
There should be a tape recorder here. I sense it in the force. Actually, no, I see it. If you're actually, hang on. If you wanted to be derpy, wouldn't you be able to smell muffins instead of donuts?
Derpy's the police officer.
How are you the police officer?
Because Derpy can be police officer too.
Okay. Actually, now that I think about it, Derpy could be like a police officer in an alternate universe.
There they are. There he is.
Oh no.
Look at his face. It's pretty weird.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
What do you mean, where did I go?
Look behind me. Oh, I saw him. Yep, there he is. He's in that room.
I don't see him. Are you sure he's there?
He turned around. If you turn around, he goes away.
He is the Slenderman on steroids. Hey, he's a he. Not actually. That is a he could be considered a teenager because he is really really short. Not as in like that short. Short. I don't mean short as in insulting short. I just mean he's like short as tall as a teenager. I mean like he looks like a teenager. Actually, no, he looks more like a kid than anything.
Great. You're real nice.
I'm not trying to be mean, okay? I got up like maybe 5 minutes ago.
Oh, come on, lazy.
Yeah. Say that when you slept on an air mattress for 3 days and finally got into a real bed.
Hours ago. I got up.
Oh, you must be so energized right now. You must be the freaking Energizer Bunny. Tap, 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 tap. With your little symbols.
I turned off my flashlight.
Yeah, you can always do that.
Why are you leaving me?
We're not trying to leave you. Where are you?
I found the first object thingy. Can you where are you? Oh my gosh, that is the most terrifying thing. It said don't go alone. Help me, please.
I see your flashlight.
Oh my god, I hate you. I will slap you.
That's who. I don't even know. I'm probably gonna call this White Noise, the episode where everyone strays off.
Look, see, it's the booger in the top.
Booger. If that's a booger, then we can confirm what this is.
So if you read how to play, it says if you look at it, your sanity goes down. The more you look at it, the more your sanity.
I am Pinkamena. I have no sanity.
Well, then your flashlight would be off right now.
Oh, so the flashlight counts as sanity?
Yeah, mine's flashing like crazy.
I did not know that. Should be a tape recorder here.
There's actually dead bodies in these. That's disgusting.
No, duh. They're sarcophagus. They're corp.
Well, they're supposed to put real dead bodies in it. Oh my gosh.
Derpy!
Don't shout at me.
I'm not shouting, I'm trying to get your...
This way. I'm going this way.
Oh my gosh, Derpy. Come back over here.
This way.
That's the wrong way. You're heading towards the cursed object again. Where the fudge did you go?
Weren't we just in here?
Yes, we were. Now where are you two? I lost you.
There you.
I'm near the cursed object room. Don't make me go Pinkamena and stare at it.
We were in the thing.
Ah, shit.
We were in the thingamajig room. We went the way you guys were going in the first place.
Help! Help! I'm gonna die! Ah! And I'm dead. 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 I am so boned. Oh, it's the... Hallelujah. My sanity is so low that I'm literally rainbow freaking guys from the factory.
Oh, I found it. I found it. I prayed that it would find it, but found it. You're gonna stand on it. Don't stand on it.
Hang on.
Oh, you stood on it again. Oh, God.
Dad, I hear whispering this way. Whispering means good sign. There's another booger on the wall.
Standing on something that was nasty.
There's a booger on the wall.
Oh my gosh, there he is. He wants a hug. He wants a hug.
Wait a minute, if he wants a hug, I'll give him a hug. Come here.
No, don't do it.
I just want to give you a hug. Oh, I'm sad now. How did you die? Oh, Buck. Ah! I'm alone. I'm awake and I'm alive. Now I know what I believe inside.
Well, if you abandon him, he'll die. Because I'm with you.
No, that doesn't count.
It does. There must be one in this
No, it
room.
really doesn't. Lily, it really doesn't. Because even with it, you're with
There's
me, it
one
doesn't
in
count.
this room. Where are you going? Come back here.
That is a very mean gesture, sir. Quit it.
Okay, over here.
Cease and desist.
Over. Yes. Now right there.
I know where it was, Lily. No reason to direct me like a blind man.
Your mouth.
I was calling myself blind because you're like, yes, I'm not freaking blind. Not.
You already knew it.
I am not effing blind. I don't even wear contacts.
Your character is.
How do you know my character's wearing
I
contacts?
saw your eyes. I was staring into your soul.
That is not a thing. That is highly illogical. And anyways, I'll have to end this episode off here. Hey, see you later, guys. Hope you like this commentary, and please slap that like button, or as I always say in my Halo series, please hit that like button in the face like Master Chief would, and subscribe for more commentary. And I'll see all you guys in the next video. Goodbye.